YouTube's main goal is to keep viewers on their site for longer. The longer they are on there, the more ads they're going to watch and the more money YouTube is going to make. Luckily, YouTube has given its creators a great suite of tools to direct its viewers to more of their content. We're going to be looking at one such tool today, end screens. What are they and how do you set them up? Are you launching a YouTube channel this year? Then give this video a like and make sure you subscribe so you catch my weekly videos all about creating better video marketing on YouTube. What is an end screen? An end screen appears on the end of YouTube videos and gives your viewers options about what to do next. You can add an end screen on the last 20 seconds of your video. On this screen you can have a link to videos or playlists, you can have a subscribe button, and if you've joined the YouTube Partner Program, you can have a link to a specific page on your website. A big mistake a lot of YouTube channels make is including too many options on their end screen. As with most marketing, you only want to include a couple of options because any more is going to create confusion for your viewer. I recommend linking to another targeted video, which we'll get onto in a second, having a subscribe button to your channel, and if your video is about a specific product, having a link to that product page on your website. By only linking to one video, you are clearly telling your viewers what they should be watching next. You are also creating a viewing journey for them to follow. Let's move on to the technical side of adding end screens. First of all, you need to create a template at the end of your video before even uploading it to YouTube. In its simplest form, you could just have a solid color as a background, and this color should link to your branded colors. To take it one step further, you can add your logo and your contact details. Or to make it a bit fancier, you can animate your end screens. So you could have dust particles floating around, you can have lens flares, or you can animate the background. So you've uploaded your video to YouTube and you're in the video details page. If you look to the right hand side, you'll see end screen. Clicking this will open up a new window with the end screen editor. Using the blue bar below the player, scroll to where your end screen starts. Now click Add Element. This will give you 4 different options. You've got video or playlist, subscribe, channel and link. Today we're just going to add a video and a subscribe button, but the process for adding an outside channel or a link is the same. Let's start with a video. Click Create next to video or playlist. You can now select most recent upload, best for viewer, which uses YouTube's algorithm to pick the video it thinks the viewer will be most interested in, or choose a video or playlist. As I've said before, you want to be very targeted about where you send your viewers, so we'll pick choose a video or playlist. Now up the top you can see tabs for uploads and playlists, depending on whether you just want to link to a single video or a playlist of videos. Next you have a selection of videos or playlists, and down the bottom you have a box where you can copy a YouTube URL if you are linking to someone else's video or you can't find your video in the list. This particular video is about why your footage looks orange, so I'm going to link to a video about how to make better phone videos, as these two subjects are related. Click Create Element. This is going to place the element in the top left hand corner. Now you can click and drag it to where you want it to be, but keep in mind you can only place elements within the striped area in the middle. This process is exactly the same for the subscribe button, the only difference being that the element is round instead of rectangle. Once you have added all the elements, you want to click Save and close the window. I can hear what you're saying. What you're saying is, do I have to do this every single time I upload a new video? It's quite a long process. I've got good news for you. No, you don't. If we go back to the end screen editor, you will see a button up here that says Import from Video. Clicking this will bring up a list of videos that you have previously created end screens for. Click one and it'll add all the elements in the right places for you. Now all you have to do is select a new relevant video or change a link. Bonus tip, make sure that your end screen or background is always the exact same length of time. This means that when you click Import from Video, it's not going to add your elements too early on and cut off the end of your video. To wrap up, end screens can be used to direct your viewers to more of your content like videos and playlists, to subscribe to your channel, or to link to a specific page on your website. The best end screens only have a few elements and are very targeted to the subject of the video that the viewer has just watched. Once you have set up your first end screen, save time in the future by clicking the Import from Video button to import all your elements from a previous video. Are you going to be using end screens in your new videos? Then give this video a like, and if you would like feedback on your YouTube channel or your YouTube videos, then please leave a link in the comments to your YouTube channel or get in touch by using the link in the description below. Last but not least, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to improve your video marketing skills with my weekly videos. Check out this end screen. To direct viewers, YouTube. Also creating a new videos to improve your